December of 2018, I made the most money off of AdSense I had ever made in my life. And I was like, oh my God, YouTubers are actually rich, huh? Full-time YouTubers are rich.
Fuck it, check me up. I hit your phone like, what's up when you try and get this set?
Hey guys, it's Nyra. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. If you've been here before, what's up? I'm so excited. I'm so excited about this video. Today, we're gonna be doing our 2020 vision board. If you don't know what a vision board or a dream board is, you don't know what the heck I'm talking about, let me tell you. So a vision board or a dream board is something where you can put all of your goals, you can put quotes that represent the energy that you want to attract and you want to release into the universe. You can put your dreams, you can put people that inspire you and things that inspire you. And it's something that you can look at to draw inspiration from and to see your goals, like physically see them, because it'll be easier for you to manifest them. Manifesting, the law of attraction, if you don't know what that is, it's basically the belief that if you work for something hard enough and you genuinely believe that it will happen for you, and you are grateful as if it already belongs to you and as if it is already in the works for you, that it will be brought to you by the universe or by God, and that it will happen for you. So if I want to be a millionaire by 2025, I can't just put a picture of $1 million or a bank account with $1 million account balance and then be like, yep, that's it. I have to put the work in. I have to put the steps in. But being able to visually see it will help me attract it. And it also will keep me motivated. So much of what I had on my 2019 vision board came true, and so I'm like so freaking excited for 2020. I have some things that are new and that are still from my 2019 my 2019 vision board that I'm going to be refocusing on and making sure that we make it happen or get closer to the goal this year. And then I have a bunch of new stuff I'm so excited about. So yeah, let's just get into it. Let's start with my repeating goals, because there are 3 goals that are the same exact picture from my last vision board. A $10,000 account balance. I'm not about to sit here and tell y'all all my business because it's like, it would just be so weird for me to tell you like how close I got to that. But just know, I got so close to my account balance being $10,000 at one point that like 2020, I know it's gonna happen. Like 2020, I know it's gonna happen, and I don't know. That just makes me feel so good. That makes me feel so excited. I'm so excited. So yeah, money going up. We don't want 1,000 in the bank. We need at least 10K in the bank. Okay. Reaching 200,000 subscribers, still a goal of mine. I have to reach. I didn't get as close to this as I wanted to, and really it's partially because like the YouTube algorithm, but partially is my fault. There are so many days I wish I could have got back from last year that I could have worked harder to get closer to this goal. So 2020, we really gonna push and prioritize, and I want to be on a PR list. It's gotta happen this year. It's gonna happen this year as long as I stay committed. I know it's a reasonable possibility. Technically, I am on a PR list, so I want to be on a makeup PR list, to be more specific. All right, now on to the new goals. I have a few like central quotes. This is one of my like personal goals of 2019. I need to establish a real solid friendship again. Like, I have friends, but like, you know, I don't have a best friend. So I have some pictures of Kylie and Stas because I want to attract and manifest like having a real solid best friend again. Like, it's been so long, and it honestly and truly is my fault. Like, I'm so reclusive. I'm the one that like doesn't really want to have a friend, but now I want one. So I want to have a close best friendship again. And so this is 2 of my favorite pictures of Kylie and Stas. We stan. I'm so sorry, but like, no Kylie slander over here. I love her. I stan. This, okay, if you're not a YouTuber, you don't know what this is. So that is what the AdSense website looks like when it shows you all of your earnings. If you see here, it says total earnings $1,000. I need to be making at least $1,000 off of AdSense a month, 2020. That's like my number one, or one of my number one like business or like money goals. December of 2018, I made the most money off of AdSense I had ever made in my life, and I was like, oh my God, YouTubers are actually rich, huh? Full-time YouTubers are rich. I want to hit 100K on Instagram. This is a good tip too. Like, for vision boards, the more you can like visualize something or like you see it right in front of you, the easier it is to like manifest when you can envision it that way. So this, like, these are Photoshop pictures of like what my account would look like if I had 100K, what my YouTube thing on Social Blade would look like if I had 200K. You know what I mean? So Photoshop it and bring it to reality. Traveling. I manifested all the traveling that I did in 2019 for sure. Like, I did so much traveling and I was so happy about it. I have some pictures of myself traveling. This is in Puerto Rico. This is in the Virgin Islands. I have a picture that I took in the Virgin Islands when I was traveling. I do like one big tropical vacation a year, and that's what these pictures are from. And then I have two pictures of the iconic, the queen of travel vlogs, the iconic Lydia Dinga. She is like a travel vlogger, an influencer, a lifestyle influencer. She's so dope. This is her in Italy, and I need to go to Europe, especially Italy. I'm not sure if I like need to go to Italy this year, but I need it to happen. I need to be in Europe. So I have one of her travel pictures from Europe, from Italy. And this one is Italy too, I believe. So now on to my central quotes. Now, my central quotes are very important to me, especially for this vision board, because like a lot of the changes and a lot of my goals are mental, and like my mindset and how I think and how I feel about myself. Like, that's what I'm really, really, really focusing on this year. So these quotes are very important. The first one says, energy and time are currency, spend wisely. So I follow this YouTuber on here named Shallon Lester. She talks about psychology and she gives like, you know, self-help advice. And Shallon said that she was working on boundaries. One of her boundaries was that she was no longer taking phone calls, because when she talks in her videos, like, you know, it's like a conversation. So when she talks on the phone, that's energy taken away that she could be using to film a video. And Shallon goes, you know how much I make a video? I do, and it's a lot. So I'm not gonna talk on the phone with you for free. And I was like, wow. Like, she was talking in that video about how your time and your energy are currency. And she was like, every time that you thought about your ex or thought about the person that you don't like, imagine if you had to pay $1 to do it. You would stop real fast. And I was like, yep, absolutely. So 2020 is the year of looking at our energy like currency. If my energy was $1 bill, is this conversation too expensive for me? This one says, how other people feel is not your responsibility. I tell myself this a million times a day. It grounds me. It reminds me that I'm not responsible for how people, like, I'm an empath. Like, I just feel everything that someone is feeling, and so it makes me feel responsible. Like, if I'm with somebody that's in a bad mood, I feel like I have to fix it because I can feel that they don't feel okay. And it's like, no, I have to teach myself my feelings need to be my priority. And if I can help somebody else, then cool. But like, it's not my responsibility. Next quote says, I am whole, I am enough, I am worthy. This is something that I really need to teach myself, especially in like a business standpoint. Like, say a company is offering you X amount of dollars and you're like, I don't really want to accept that. Like, I don't feel worth it. Like, you look at yourself like, are you stupid? What's wrong with you? Like, I have to check myself, remind myself that I belong to be in the space that I'm at, and I deserve to establish a platform just as much as anybody else. So I need to keep that on my vision board. This one is more spiritual. It says, you're venting to people who don't have the answer when you could be praying to a God who does. I am a control freak, even to the point where like I know that God control. I'm religious. If you don't believe in God, not my problem. Just, you don't have to listen to this part of the video, I guess. I know that I'm not in control of my problems and that God is, and I still will just not pray about it. I still will think that I can handle it all on my own. And then when my world comes shattering down and the sky is falling, then I want to pray about it. Like, I need to fix that. And then my central quote, like, of the whole board, the most important thing to me is choose whatever feels like peace. This is the year that I am committed to only choosing what feels like peace. I'm not arguing with you. I'm not going back and forth with you. It disrupts my peace. If I want to travel instead of going to work on the weekend, I'm going to travel because that feels like peace. You know what I mean? Like, it's like those things. Whatever feels like peace is what I need to be making the choice to do, because I am in control of how I feel. I'm in control of my own peace. And so I need to act like it. I need to move like it. I need to behave like it. So yeah, how How fun was that? All right, now you guys have seen all my goals. We've talked about them. I've spoken them into the universe to help manifest them. And now we're just gonna glue them onto the board. I got a black board this time because I put it on the inside of my closet door, and my closet door is white. So like the other one blended in too much. I need something that's gonna like punch me in the face when I open my closet door and make me look at it. Here it is, my beautiful 2020 vision board, mood board, whatever you want to call it. I'm so excited about it. I cannot wait to hang this up in my beauty room. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did because I had such a good time making this. Go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, all that stuff. Head on over to my Instagram and follow your girl because as you see, one of my goals is to get to 100K on Instagram. Help me out, okay? Help me out. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Fucking check me up. I hit your phone like, what's up when you try and get this sex from me? You know I don't mean no disrespect, honey. Hey, ain't no gas, you the best, honey. Fine ass in a pic, had to get a text from you. Loving how that gold sit on your neck, honey. That gold chain is on your neck.